Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about ethers, that is, how to name ethers according to the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, ethers, the functional group of ethers, the functional group of ether is O, single bond O, that is, here may be a ethyl, methyl, or a phenyl, whatever it may be. R, O, R dash is the functional group. In IUPAC, name, here there is no prefix and there is no suffix. In the middle, oxy, we will name as oxy in the middle of the name, just as alkoxy alkane, oxy alkane, we will be naming like this. In common name, just ethyl, methyl, ether, ethyl, phenyl, ether, like that we will be naming. Come, let's name the ethers. Let's give the common name first. CH3 is methyl and here the CH3 is methyl. So two methyl groups are attached in the first compound. So we shall name it as dimethyl, and the functional group present here is O, that is ether. So dimethyl ether is the common name. And here second one, this is methyl group and this is ethyl group. We shall name it as ethyl methyl ether because O is the functional group. So ethyl methyl ether. We should not name as methyl ethyl ether in the common name because in according to the alphabetical order, E ethyl comes before M methyl. So ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether is the common name for the second compound. And here the third one, this is ethyl and this is one more ethyl. So two ethyl groups are attached in the two sides of the oxygen. This is ether. So diethyl ether. Diethyl ether is the common name for the third one. And here this is methyl and this is propyl. Propyl in the sense 3 carbon. So propyl. The propyl group is in straight chain. So methyl N-propyl ether. Methyl N-propyl ether is the common name. And the last one in this slide, this is methyl, and this is propyl, but it is branched. If it is branched, single branch in the sense, we should name it as iso. So methyl isopropyl, this is ether. So the common name for the last one is methyl isopropyl ether. Okay. Now let's give the IUPAC name for the compounds. This is methyl. This is methane. So we should not name it as methyl. This as methoxy. And the longest chain, the longest compound should be as a parent in the last manner. So this is meth, this is oxy. So methoxy. What we said, alkoxy alkane. So this is methoxy, this is methane. So methoxy methane. Methoxy methane is the IUPAC name of the first one. And here, this is ethyl and this is methyl. So we shall take the longest chain as the parent carbon, ethane. This is methoxy ethane. The second one is methoxy ethane is the IUPAC name of ethyl methyl ether. And here, both the sides are ethane. So ethoxy ethane. Ethoxy ethane. Here 1, 2, 3. This is propane. To the first carbon, methoxy is attached. So 1 methoxy, 3 above 3 in the sense we have to number it. So 1 methoxy propane. Here first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. To the second carbon, methoxy group is attached. So 2 methoxy, 3 carbons are here. So propane. 2 methoxy propane is the IUPAC name of this compound. The first one is, let's revise the common name first. Here two methyl groups are attached, so dimethyl ether, and here ethyl methyl groups are attached to the ether, so ethyl methyl ether. This is diethyl ether, and this is methyl n propyl, because the propyl is in straight chain, so methyl n propyl ether, and this is methyl, the propyl is branched. Okay, so methyl isopropyl ether. Now IUPAC name. This is methoxymethane, and this is methoxyethane, because the longest chain should be as a parent in the last one. This is ethoxyethane, and here 1, 2, 3 to the first carbon of the propane, methoxy is attached. So 1 methoxypropane. Here in the last one, in the second carbon, methoxy is attached. So 2 methoxypropane. Now we are going to name some aromatic ethers. Here benzene ring, that is phenyl. This is methyl. So the common name for this compound is methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether is the common name for the first one. Or there is another name for this compound, that is anisole. That is anisole. It's a commercial name. And here ethyl group is attached instead of this methyl group. So ethyl, this is phenyl. So ethyl phenyl ether. There is another name for this compound, that is called as phenatole. And the common name for this compound, two phenyl groups are attached. So diphenyl ether is the common name for the last one. This is methyl phenyl ether, or else anisole. This is ethyl, this is phenyl, so ethyl phenyl ether, and here two phenyl groups are attached to the ether functional group, so this is called as diphenyl ether. Let's give the IUPAC name for this compound. Come on, this is benzene, is the parent one. Here to the benzene, methoxy group is attached. To the benzene, methoxy group is attached. So this is called as methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene is the IUPAC name for anisole. And this is to the benzene ring, ethoxy is attached. So ethoxybenzene. Ethoxybenzene is the IUPAC name for phenatole. And here to the benzene, phenoxy group is attached. So phenoxybenzene. Phenoxybenzene is the IUPAC name of diphenyl ether. For these compounds, IUPAC names are enough. Okay, this is how many carbons are there in the parent one, the longest chain. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So heptane. Okay, here phenoxy is attached. Here phenoxy is attached. So the name of this compound is, to the first carbon of the heptane, phenoxy is attached. So 1 phenoxy heptane is the IUPAC name for the first one. 1 phenoxy heptane. The second one is, this is benzene. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there in the straight chain. So here 6 carbon. This is the parent. In this one, 1, 2, 3. To the third carbon, methyl group is attached. So 3 methyl. This is butoxy. This is butoxy. So 3 methyl butoxy. This is benzene. Benzene is the parent one. So the IUPAC name is 3 methyl butoxy benzene. And the third one, 2 ether group are there. 2 ethers group are there. So this is ethane. CH2, CH2. 2 carbon. This is the longest chain. So to the first carbon, 1 methoxy is attached. To the second carbon, 1 more methoxy is attached. So 1, 2 dimethoxy. 1, 2 dimethoxy. Ethane is the parent one. So 1, 2 dimethoxy ethane is the IUPAC name of the third one. The last one is, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Here inside there are no rings. So this is cyclohexane. To the first carbon, 2 methyl groups are attached. Okay. And here the second one, ethoxy is attached. The second carbon, ethoxy is attached. So 2 ethoxy, 1,1 dimethyl, because in the first carbon 2 methyl groups are attached. So 1,1 dimethyl. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Here in the second carbon ethoxy is attached. So we are mentioning it as 2-ethoxy. In the first carbon 2 methyl groups are attached. So 1,1 dimethyl. This is cyclohexane. So cyclohexane. So the name of this compound is 2-ethoxy 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. The first one is 1-phenoxyheptane. And the second one is 3-methyl butoxybenzene. Here 1,2 dimethoxy. Here 1 methoxy, and in the last one here 1 methoxy. So 1,1 dimethoxy. This is ethane. And the last one is 2-ethoxy 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. Thank you.